Okay, so I'm going to show you this pretty rare doll that I got from eBay. This is called a talking Vanellope doll. It's kind of not available in the US anymore, and they're selling really high. If you look at Vanellope dolls, they're usually just selling them used. So as you can see, Vanellope doll. So I found one which was outside the country. It's from United Kingdom. As you can see, they're pretty used, and if you find them new, they're really high. They're around $100 a piece. So as you can see, it's $99. So I actually see $150, so they're kind of high. So as you can see, I purchased one. Let's purchase this. So this is the Vanellope doll that I got, and it's delivered today, and we are going to be unboxing it. Video, we're going to be unboxing this rare Vanellope doll that I got for my kid's birthday. She really liked Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph, and this doll is no longer sold in the United States store. They're selling them on eBay, but they're kind of high. They're going around $100 to $200. So I tried to find options, and I found one from United Kingdom, and I ordered on August 3 and it arrived on August 24. So it took about almost a month for it to arrive. So it came in this package. So let's see here. So as you can see, I have unboxed the initial packaging, and here is the doll. It's packaged pretty well. It's in a bubble wrap, and there is the doll. So let's see if it works, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to change the batteries. So let's open it up. So the girls really wanted to see what I'm unboxing, but I told them they can't see this one now. So it's in perfect condition. It looks brand new. It's not open at all, as you can see. And it's not very tall. It's around like probably 10 inches tall. And you're supposed to, let me see if it talks. If I see, it doesn't talk when I press it, so I might have to change the batteries, but I just want to show you. This is a rare find. I got the hair, you got licorice, Wreck-It Ralph, talking Vanellope doll. As you can see, there's some hair clips, and so let's try to open it up so I can put the battery, so when my kid opens this up, it's gonna be talking. So here I'm pulling the doll. There she is, Vanellope One Sweet. And we're gonna try to put the battery in. Oh, we actually have to pull this out so it talks. So let's try to pull this out. There you go. So she actually.
Princess Vanellope Von Sweet of the Sugar Rush Von Sweet.
Oh, that's cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give me the internet.
Let's see how many boy. She actually talks, so it's good.
Hello. Yes. What is up with that? What's wrong with that? That's kind of cool. Oh, someone else is trying to win it. Come on, hurry, let's go. Ah! You scared me, Ralph.
So it's very cute. So I don't have to actually remove it because she still talks, so that was good news. I'm gonna put in the doll back, and if ever I would need to change the batteries, this is the type of battery that you would need to change this kind of doll. So just a quick advice: if you're looking for something that's no longer sold in stores, you can actually check out eBay or Mercari. They still have some new items, and you just have to pick because some are overpriced, and this one is just a decent price.